Good morning. Tropical storm Dorian is drenching the Leeward Islands, and the rain bands are also already impacting the British and U.S. Virgin Islands as it is a little better organized and expected to be near hurricane strength before as it makes landfall here across Puerto Rico. Throughout the day today, weather conditions there deteriorating, and there's a storm size, that 5 a.m. advisory showing us max sustained winds of 60 miles an hour moving northwest at 13 and will continue to likely move northwest as we head into tomorrow, Friday. That's when it could become a Category 1 hurricane and then possibly move near or just over the central or northern Bahamas as we get into the weekend. Saturday by Sunday, early Sunday, could intensify into a Category 2 hurricane. So that's another change from yesterday. And you'll notice that the cone is shifted slightly northward, but yet still most of Florida and Georgia here in that cone, and it's very wide, indicating there's still a lot of uncertainty as to the specific impacts here along the southeast coast, but everyone here needing to obviously remain vigilant and closely monitor the progress of Dorian over the next few days and obviously be prepared. Most of the models in agreement that Dorian will move across Puerto Rico and then likely east of the Bahamas, and then as we get into the weekend, it gets a little tricky. Will it be steered to the west? Will it be more of a northwest turn here as we get into late Sunday into Monday? It's still too soon to say. Right now, high pressure steering it, and then it's going to encounter a weakness in that high, and as you can see, moving northwest, but then we'll have to wait and see when it takes that turn to the west, depending on that blocking high pressure and a possible frontal boundary. But there's plenty of ocean heat to help fuel it, and that's the reason the Hurricane Center is indicating it could become a Category 2 hurricane. But for us, we of course will need to stay aware and be prepared today, checking our after the storm hurricane kit tomorrow, watching for how Puerto Rico and the mountains there impacting the storm, and then by Friday watching for that turn towards Florida, which will be key in determining where it could eventually make landfall. Hurricane watch is in place for Puerto Rico, tropical storm warning as well. Tropical storm watch is in place for Dominican Republic, and for more on the impacts for these islands, meteorologist Dave Warren is with us.
Yes, continuing to watch the activity here, and hurricane hunters have still found an open eye here to the southwest of the storm. You can see a lot of the rain and thunderstorms are to the northwest of the center, but it'll still be a tropical storm, still bring wind and rain to the area here throughout the day today. As far as the radar goes, well, you can see that the activity is starting to see bands that are continuing to move off to the northwest here into the area here. So we're watching the radar closely. It does show that these bands will continue to push through the area and then work in through the region here throughout the day today. So this is the banding that we're going to see, and this will lead to some very heavy rain across the area. You can see rain amounts anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain locally, and then higher amounts that could lead to flash flooding across the area here. So as far as the rain goes, well, that's leading to flash flooding. Wind time arrivals, tropical storm force winds Wednesday at 2 o'clock, 8 o'clock across the island. Thursday and Thursday night does work through parts of the Dominican Republic. This will actually be outside of the storm center. Temperatures are into the upper 70s right now, and there's the future weather computer showing that we do expect to see showers and storms into the area here throughout the afternoon and evening. So stormy weather is expected. Downpours likely. 94 degrees will be our high temperature before these storms move in, and the extended forecast, we are continuing to watch Dorian here for the weekend as the winds and rain pick up.